Welcome to this watercolor painting tutorial on creating vibrant and realistic leaves. Follow these simple steps to bring nature to life on your canvas. Materials that needed: watercolor paper, watercolor paints various green shades, and additional colors if desired, round watercolor brushes varying sizes, palette, water containers, paper towels. We'll explore the art of creating dynamic watercolor leaves by mastering the technique of pressure variation with a round brush. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Selecting right brush. Choose a round watercolor brush suitable for the size of the leaves you want to paint. Larger brushes for broader strokes and smaller brushes for intricate details. Step 2. Loading the brush with watercolor. Dip the tip of your round brush into water, then gently tap it onto your chosen paint color. Ensure the brush is loaded with pigment, but not overly saturated. Step 3. Applying pressure. Begin by lightly pressing the brush onto the paper. This creates a delicate, translucent layer for the base of the leaf. Focus on the outer edges, allowing the color to diffuse naturally. Step 4. Increasing pressure. As you move towards the center of the leaf, gradually increase the pressure on the brush. This will result in a darker concentration of color, mimicking the natural shading of a leaf. Step 5. Vein details with varied pressure. To emphasize veins, use the tip of your brush and vary the pressure. Apply lighter pressure for finer veins and increase pressure for thicker ones. This technique adds intricacy to your leaf. Step 6. Experiment with accent colors. Introduce accent colors by altering the pressure on your brush. Light pressure for subtle accents, and heavier pressure for more pronounced color variations. This adds visual interest to your leaves. Step 7. Play with layering. Experiment with layering by allowing each layer to dry before applying the next. Adjusting pressure during layering creates a sense of depth and complexity in your watercolor leaves. Step 8. Final touches. Once satisfied with the overall composition, make any final adjustments. Add details, shadows, or additional layers as needed, keeping in mind the pressure variations for a realistic look. Mastering pressure variation with a round brush is the key to creating stunning watercolor leaves. Practice this technique and feel free to experiment, discovering the unique textures and depths you can achieve. Happy painting!